Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel 99 Trades. In this video we will do complete analysis of both the indices Nifty and Bank Nifty. We will try to find out the important levels for the coming week as well as for the next trading session. That is for the Monday's trading session. Let's start our analysis with Nifty chart here. I am using Nifty weekly chart here. This is this week's candle. What is this candle? This is a complete bearish candle. Last week candle is a bullish candle and this week candle is a bearish candle. This bearish candle is formed near Nifty's all-time high, which is also a resistance. So what is the weekly sentiment? Weekly sentiment is bearish. Now let's shift the time frame to daily and see the important levels for the coming week. Okay, this is the daily chart of Nifty. What's our view last week? When the market is here, our view is, I will show it here. What's our view? Our view is market will be in range if market stays in this channel only. So let's play it here and see what exactly happened. Let's replay this and see what exactly happened from Friday, that is from Monday. As per our analysis, it tested the upper side of this channel, again it tested the lower side of this channel, and for the whole week it stayed in this channel only. So what's our view for the coming week? If you carefully observe, Nifty has given a breakout of this channel. Not only breakout, it has also closed below this lower side of this channel, 1660. This is an important swing low. Nifty managed to close above this on a closing basis, but closed below this channel. So when can we confirm that this breakout is genuine? Only below this level, that is today's low, 650. Below this level, below 18,650, we can directly short Nifty for the targets of 18,550 will be the first target and the second target will be 18,450. It has come out of this channel, so higher chances, that is high probability trade will be mostly on Monday. If index tests this channel again and if this type of price action is formed, then we can short from this level. That this is the short level, that is for the downside level. What is the important level? Below 18,650, our first target will be this swing low, which is 18,550, and the second target will be this swing low, 18,450. So this will be the important support, that is weekly support for Nifty, this area. So what is the support for Nifty this week? 18,450. And what is the resistance for Nifty for the coming week? This area, 18,880. Almost 450 points range. But if you want to long Nifty, then what is the important level? For that, we will shift the time frame to hourly and see the important level to long Nifty in the intraday. Let's shift the time frame to hourly. This is the hourly chart of Nifty. So the same swing low. Below this level, our short position, that is our entry for the short position will be there, which is 18,650, which is the same in daily chart also. So if index, that is if Nifty trades below 18,650, then this ABCD gets activated, and as per ABCD pattern, our first target will be 18,550. If index continuously trades below this level, then our next target will be 18,450, which is the major support, that is weekly support for Nifty this week. So for long will be only above this level, this swing high, which is near 18,780. If Nifty sustains above, on Monday if Nifty sustains above 18,780, then one can plan a long for the targets of, the first target will be this swing high, which is near 18,850, and the second target will be 18,880 for the Monday's trading. Now let's see the analysis for Bank Nifty. Here I am using daily chart of Bank Nifty. There is nothing new in Bank Nifty this week, because what we have discussed in the last week, Bank Nifty is in the same range, that is in between 44,500 and 43,400. Until Bank Nifty comes out of this range, that is either it has to break this level, that is 43,350, or it has to trade above 44,500 for a trending move. Between this range, we will see a sideways market, that is we will see a zigzag market. So what are the important levels for Bank Nifty for the coming week? Only if Bank Nifty breaks, that is at least a 15 minutes candle closes below 43,350, then we can plan a short, that is we can trade for downside for the targets of, the first target will be 43,000 somewhere here, and the second target will be 42,500 on the downside. On the upside, only above this level 44,500, that is if index, that is if Bank Nifty sustains above 44,500 only, then we can see a long, that is we can see a trending move on the upside. Then our next targets will be 45,000 and new all-time highs. That's all for Bank Nifty for this week. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe.